How to turn on notes on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I'll simply show you how you can turn on notes on Instagram, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to turn on notes on Instagram, if you're not aware, Instagram has recently rolled out a new feature called Instagram Notes. In this case, you can see you'll be able to see your friends' notes over here. So let's say you also want to add a note but you're not being able to find the notes section, right? There are a couple of things that you can do. The very first thing you want to check is whether or not your active status is actually turned off. So just go to settings over here, go to privacy, and then go to the option called activated status. Make sure to just turn it on in this case, because when you turn it off, many features of the DMs page are actually going to be disabled, and that could sometimes also include the notes. Now after you've done that, what I would recommend you do is long press on the Instagram app icon, tap on the I button, and then come to the app information page. Here go to the option called storage, clear cache. If you want, you can also clear the data, but keep in mind that clearing the data will log you out of your account and reset the Instagram app. Now once you've done that, what you want to do is just go ahead and then open up your Play Store and then check if your Instagram app has an update. Just search for Instagram, check if it has an update. If it does, then make sure to update the app to the latest version. Because this is a new feature that Instagram is testing out, it may not be available on all models, so you might want to actually wait a couple of days and a couple of weeks before Instagram rolls it out globally. Hope this video helped you as to how you can get notes on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.